Hey guys, welcome to Atreus World. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a cling paper squishy. It's very relaxing and it's very fun. Let's get started. First, you'll need 1 cup of Elmer's glue. I'm using clear. Then you'll need borax. Use about a teaspoon of borax and mix it in with a cup of water. This will be our activator. Put in a little bit at a time or else your slime will be too wet. Start mixing. Once you've mixed enough, you can start to feel it. Then take it out and start kneading. Kneading is important so it won't be too sticky and you'll be able to put it in the wrap. This is a little messy, but it will come together like this in the end. Remember, it's not going to be too stretchy because this is for our squishy, not slime. Then, get some cling wrap. Start wrapping the cling wrap all the way over the slime. Make sure it's wrapped really good so none of it will fall out when you start squishing it. Now you can squish it at home, at school when you're stressed, and even outside if you're bored. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and share.